Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google account with two-step verification and your business details ready. Once done, open Merchant Center and choose the correct country and time zone. These settings affect tax and shipping defaults. Next, add your website URL and pick a verification method, HTML tag, Google Analytics, or DNS-TXT, and implement it. Make sure the verification code is live on your domain before proceeding, because Merchant Center needs proof of ownership to accept your store. Once your website is verified, configure account details and tax/shipping defaults. Now create a product feed. Decide between Content API, scheduled file upload, or manual spreadsheet. When uploading, follow Merchant Center attribute requirements, supplying ID, title, description, link, image link, price, and availability. Use consistent currency and include GTIN or MPN when available to improve matching. After upload, review diagnostics for parsing errors and warnings. Fix any listed attribute problem. Finally, link Merchant Center to Google Ads and opt into programs like free listings if desired. Once linked, enable automatic item updates and set shipping and tax rules that match checkout. Submit your feed and monitor diagnostics. Approvals mean your items can show. Disapprovals require fixes to attributes or policy compliance. If things go wrong, clear cache, revalidate the feed file, and inspect the diagnostics page for specific errors. Addressing the first listed error often resolves cascading failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.